Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how you can install Windows 10 on a virtual machine. For you who doesn't know what is a virtual machine, it is just a tool or a software, if I may say, which allows you to install different operating systems on one computer. Suppose you have one computer and you are running Windows 10 and you want to use, for instance, Windows 7. You don't need to format your computer, but you have to use that kind of software which is called Oracle Virtual Machine, and this software will allow you to run OS on one computer. Am I recording? Yeah, of course. So to do this, of course, there is some important tools you must have. First, of course, you must have the software and download the Windows 10 from their official website. If you don't know how to do it, you have to check my previous video that I've made on how to install Windows 10 from a USB drive. You go to my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel is called Tech. What's wrong with my PC? You go to my YouTube channel and search for this video. This one, where is it? Yeah, and then download or watch this video online so that you can get different information about how to download. But briefly, you can just go to the official website of Microsoft and type Windows 10 download and open this first link and download this tool called Media Creation Tool by downloading this tool. So as for me, I'm not going to download it again because I already have it, but I'm going to go straight to the point. Yeah, I'm going directly to show you how to do it. And to get this software that I was talking about, you also go to Google and type Oracle Virtual Machine. Open the first link. On this page, you are just going to download the latest version. As I said, on Windows 10, I'm not going to download it again as I already have it, but I'm going to install it. Sorry, I already have it installed. When you are done with installing your software, open it by double clicking on it. Click on New. Then give name of your operating system that you are going to install. As for me, it is Windows 10. By default, it is going to install this kind of software here at this location, and the type is of course Microsoft Windows. If it is not there by default, you have to drop it down and choose it accordingly. The version, of course, is Windows 10 64-bit. Then you click on Next. As you know, Windows 10 has some requirements. If you don't know it, you can go to Google and check some Windows 10 requirements. Windows 10 requirements. As you can see, to install Windows 10 on a computer, there are some requirements that your computer must meet, which is RAM of 1 GB for 32 or 2 GB for 64 bits, and processor, hard disk, graphic card, etc. So as for me, I'm just going to assign a memory of, what if I assign 4 GB? No problem. And I'm going to leave everything as default here and click next, and I'm going to set the storage of physical hard drive as dynamically allocated. So I'm going to rate everything here as default, then I click on create. So as you can see here, Windows 10 is created, but before starting it, I just want you to go to settings. So I'm going to click on general and go to advanced, shared clipboard. I'm going to select bidirectional, and drag and drop, I'm going to select also bidirection. This will allow me to drag and drop files from my host to the virtual machine. Then I go to the system, processor, and I assign, for instance, 3 or 4 CPU. So I'm going to assign 2. Then I get to storage, empty. Then I click on this icon looking like a CD, and then I got to choose a disk file. After this, you're just going to go to where you have downloaded your image of Windows 10. As for me, it is located at the download folder. Then I choose it. I click on open, OK. Then I start my PC. As this process is going to take a long time, I'm just going to let you through, and I will come back when this process is done. Yes, of course, as you can see, I managed to install Windows 10 on my VirtualBox now, but there is still a small problem that we're going to fix. The problem that I'm talking about is, as you can see, when I click on the maximize button, this Windows will not resize according to the size of the host. So to fix this problem, we have to click on devices and go to this last one, insert guest additional CD image, and click on it. After clicking there, you open your file explorer by clicking on this folder. Then go to this PC. By going to this PC, you'll find a CD here. Double click on this, and then now that we have installed the 64-bit, we are going to use this one, the third one from the bottom. Click on this one, VBox Windows Edition MD64. I don't know if you remember, we installed the Windows 10 64-bit. That's why you are going to use this one. If you have chosen 686, you are going to click on this one. So as for me, as I have used the 64 bits, I'm going to use this one. Then double click on it, click on yes, next again, then install. Yes, at this point select install. Okay, as you can see, at this virtual machine is asking to reboot it so that you can get the full features of the virtual machine. So let me do it and see what I will get. It is restarting. We have to wait until it's done. Remember, this process will depend on your computer capacity in terms of process and RAM. As you can see here, now that I came to install this guest additional CD image, now I can resize my virtual machine as I want, and it will resize according to the host. As you can see, when I drag and I resize this the virtual machine, it will just exactly fit with the windows of the host. So if your virtual machine is not working as mine is doing, I recommend you to go back and look if you haven't missed any step, or ask me a question in the comment section to see if I can help. So thank you very much for watching. Meanwhile, I just want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to someone you think might want to see. Bye bye.